John, take a look at shares of United. As you guys have been chatting over the last 10 minutes, shares have been moving lower. Why? Well, mainly because these are numbers that are going to be a little bit disappointing, especially on the guidance. Start first off with EPS. It did beat the street. $3.87 a share versus $3.81 was the estimate. Revenue coming in lighter than expected at $15.236 billion. The metrics within the Q2 results: revenue per seat mile down 4% compared to the same quarter of 2024. Cost per seat mile up 2.2% compared to Q2 of last year. Pre-tax margin of 11%. Last year it was 11.6%. Put a pin in pre-tax margin. We're going to talk more about that in just a little bit. There has key free cash flow of $1.13 billion, shy of where they were last year. Premium revenue up 5.6%, no surprise. The passenger who can pay more, wants to pay more, is willing to pay more. But domestic revenue, when you factor in all passengers, that's down 0.7% in the second quarter. I mentioned that we wanted to talk about margin. Well, there was an impact because of all of the issues at Newark Airport, where United had to draw down its schedule, had a slew of cancellations and delays, was basically a mess for most of the second quarter. That impacted the Q2 margins. They were lower by 1.2% because of the flight cuts at Newark, and that also impacts what the company is expecting in the third quarter and the rest of this year. There will be an impact in the third quarter in terms of margins because of Newark. Their EPS guidance right now, $2.25 to $2.75 a share. The street's at $2.60. And then there is the guidance. Remember, after Q1, United said, we're going to give two guidance estimates here. We're going to say if there's a recessionary environment, $7 to $9 for the full year. If it's a stable environment, that's the words that United used back in April. If it's a stable environment, they expected to earn $11.50 to $13.50. Now they are saying for the full year they expect to earn $9 to $11. The street's at $10.04. Clearly, Newark is having an impact here.